this tutorial, I make air turbo housing. Select right plane, sketch, select circle, smart dimension 38 mm, exit. Go to feature, helix and curve, spiral. Spiral, pitch 25.4, revolution 1.5. Okay. Exit. Then go to reference geometry, select plane, click on line and this point. Okay. Click here, sketch, center rectangle, smart dimension 42.14, $26.5. Press Ctrl, select this point, make pierce. Okay. Center rectangle, smart dimension 63.5, 33.27. Make vertical relation. Press Ctrl, select this point and this line. Or press Ctrl, select this point and this point. Make vertical. Okay. Smart dimension. Distance between 2 points is 81. Okay. Exit the sketch. Go to loft boss. Click on this point. Select both sketch. Go to center line parameter. Select this spiral. Okay. Go to loft boss. Select both rectangle, center parameter, this spiral. Okay. Number of selection increase. Okay. Click on this plane. Reference geometry 63.5. Okay. Click, sketch, center line. Circle, smart dimension 63.5. Okay. Exit. Go to loft boss. Click this face. Okay. Hide this plane and this plane. Go to shell command. Select this circular face and the rectangular face. Shell thickness 1.5 mm. Okay. Click on this face, sketch. Convert entity. Go to feature, extrude boss. Bracket 3.27. Okay. Exit. Go to shell command. Now shell thickness 1.5. Select the circular face and the rectangular face. And choose variable fillet. Click on this edge. Variable radius 4 mm. Variable radius 0 mm. Okay. Again choose fillet. Variable fillet. Fillet. Variable fillet. Click on this edge. Variable radius 0 mm. Variable radius 4 mm. Okay. Click on this rectangular edge. Sketch. Click this face. The inner edge. Convert entity. Okay. Exit. Choose right plane. Sketch. Select this outer edge. Convert entity. Click on line. Okay. Press Ctrl. Select this point. From this point, make coincident. Okay. Trim entity. Okay. Go to surface. Extrude surface. Up to surface. up to vertex. Click the outer edge. Direction 2. Click the outer edge. Okay. Now hide this model. Choose planar surface. Click on the edge. Okay. Choose planar surface. Click on this edge. Okay. Knit surface to merge all the faces. Okay. Thicken command 1.5. Okay. Now show solid body. Go to feature, extrude cut, select this rectangle, blind 1.5 mm, inside direction. Okay. Click sketch, select circle, smart dimension 20 mm, center distance 10 mm. Okay. Extrude boss 10 mm. Select thin feature 1.5, inside direction. Okay. Remove merge result, take out. Okay. Click on this face, sketch, select the outer edge of circle. Convert entity, go to feature, extrude boss. Select up to next. Okay. Click on this face. Click on circular face, sketch. Click inner circle, convert entity, select circle, smart dimension 30 mm, go to feature, extrude boss 10 mm. Okay. Again, select here, sketch, circle, smart dimension 20 mm, center distance from here to here 10 mm. Go to feature 10 mm, thickness, thin feature 1.5 mm, inside direction, unmerge result. Okay. Choose this face, sketch, Select circle. .48. Go to feature, extrude boss 10 mm, merge result. Okay. Our air turbo is finally ready. Click on right, go to appearance, body. Wait few seconds. Okay. Hide this body. Choose fillet. Constant fillet 4 mm. Select this edge and this edge. Okay. Go to appearance, body. Copy appearance, paste. Paste. So solid body. Our air turbo is ready. Thank you.